Okay, so this turkey hunt is actually from a couple of years ago. My buddy Charlie Palmer and I went out looking to get his first bird with a bow. I'd actually scouted the field we hunted the night before and saw Tom walking around out on the field feeding and strutting a little bit. So we went back in there, set up the next morning, and had a pretty slow hunt right off the bat, but it heated up pretty quick when we had a hen and Jake come on the field with this big Tom right behind him. So I never really did anything with the footage, and I just decided I was going to edit it up and put it on the channel just for fun. So hope you guys enjoy.
Shoot with your head on forward all the time. Yeah. I can't shoot that. That's cool. Really? Yeah, they don't use hands. I was more nervous for this one. Never shot it. I think it's just because someone's grabbing it. Now, if he comes all the way to the decoys, wait until he touches the decoy. Once he like hits the tom, you're pretty much in business. He won't see you. Okay? I'd go ahead and slide your bow up. Whenever you're ready, go ahead. Just make sure. Nice shot. I didn't really get it. You didn't? No, it's right in the way. That's alright. It's your first bird. Well, he saw me with the head like that. Fuck. I'm gonna see a Jake attack me.
Well, we got her done here this morning. We started off, we had some birds right behind us, and thought it was going to happen early, but then they kind of just shut up for a little bit. Saw a hen pop out, and we thought, sure, this guy'd be following her. And lucky enough, he was. And we were able to make it happen here this morning. Got a nice, good beard on him. Beautiful bird.
This is.
All
All right.
About 10 yards.
Probably hop in the blind, see if we can get another one or something.